Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nilofa here again with another video, and in this video I'll be talking about a very interesting topic in programming language, which is swapping two variables. So for that I'll be just simply move towards the coding part, which is swapping the values of x and y. As I have already written here that the x variable holds the value 12, and I have printed x, which shows 12 here, and the value of y, which I have printed, and that is 13. Now I want to just swap the values of x and y, and for that I need to do the swapping. So for the swapping, the very first thing I need to do is to go for the method, which is third variable or temporary variable method. That is very easy. For example, I will just simply go towards the temporary variable. There is a variable called temp. This is temporary variable, which I will store a variable in it. So for that, I will just simply store the value of x here, which is 12. And now I will just simply go for this x equals to y. I will just store the value of y into variable x. And the next thing I need to do is that I will store the value of temp, which is already 12 into y. Now this is how we simply swap two variables. Now we'll print, for example, I'll print x here. Let's just check the value of x here. As you can see, at the beginning it was 12, now it is swapped into 13, and I will simply print y here. And now as you can see, the value of y has been changed and the value of y is 12. So as like what we did in the previous statements, we just simply swapped the value of x and y. And there's also another method, a very easy method, that you can simply swap two variables. For that, we'll go for the same example, x equals to 12, y equals to 13. And now I'm about to swap these two values, and for that we'll go for left-right method. Now x comma y equals to y comma x. This is how I do the swapping here. Very easy, a very tricky point here. Now I'll go for this x equals to y equals to x. So I'll just simply print this. Now we are about to print this one. Print the value of x is, sorry, I just forgot this one, x. As you can see, the output, the value of x is 12. So for that I'll just erase this one. Now let's just check the output here. The value of x is 13. Can you just see the difference here? Now the next thing we need to do is we'll print the value of y as well. So the value of y is comma y. Let's just check the value of y. Yes, we have successfully swapped these two values. The value of y is 12. So yes, that's it for today's video. As you just saw, it was very easy to swap two numbers. So you can just do that by the third variable or temporary variable method, or you can just simply do this by left or right method. So until next video everyone, happy coding.